visit. When the project is completed, they click here. If they want to ask about their project, they can use the AI here and make a request. Here are some sample of field they can see in the AI assistant. Which technicians are assigned to the highest number of jobs, and what are the job titles that handled most frequently? What's the average balance remaining on jobs categorized by different priorities? Can you provide a summary of job statuses and their corresponding? So the clients can ask questions. You can say,
Oh, yeah. You can put it.
so you said your job related to cooling service is being handled by Captain Stone. If you need more info or want to contact the technician, please let me know. So let's click into cooling service and see. Yeah, so the assigned technician is actually Captain Stone.